Great way to show appreciation. And Mother Nature was showing her appreciation for us, I guess, this weekend. We had mild weather, beautiful sun on Sunday.
Yeah, it was fantastic weather. We've had a few really nice weekends recently, but this may have been the best of the best, and we've really enjoyed some incredible warmth to go with it. The abundant sunshine. We enjoyed both days. Just put all that stuff together. All the elements were there for just a great late winter weekend. A great example of what February can do for you when you have temperatures running above the freezing mark and all that sunshine. Temperatures yesterday reached 40 in Rochester. Time lapse from our Lewis Donato camera. Beautiful sunset. A nice finale to what was the last full weekend in the month, and overall probably one of the best weekends of the entire winter. 22 right now with clear skies, light winds as we look northward with our Lewis Donato camera. Downtown Rochester, high temperature yesterday, and our Sunday weather almanac 40. The morning low is 21. Both of those well above the seasonal average, 15 and 31. Sunset 5:50, and still doing pretty well as precipitation goes. A slight surplus of about 0.6 of an inch, so we don't have to worry about that. We're still going to stay mainly dry here for the rest of the week. In fact, we're going to see at least a chance of snow for part of the area, but none of that going on today. Pretty tranquil, very pleasant start to the work week here for a Monday. 22 right now in Rochester, Austin 23. It's 23 in Cresco, La Crosse 19. Fairly light breeze, you love that. 3-mile-per-hour winds, no complaints there. Don't have to worry about any nagging breeze or gusty winds. Overall, pretty mellow way to kick off the work week. Air pressure is 30 inches even in the barometer. Right now, bright and pleasant today. We'll have some sun at least to start the day. We're going to see some extra cloud cover slowly trickling in, but we'll stay dry through today. And there is a portion of the area we'll have to deal with some snow on Tuesday, but very minor coating. We're going to miss out on the big show that's going on south of us toward the center of that system. We've been talking about this, highlighting the possibility of snow this week for 4 or 5 days now. Watching this very closely, but it looks like it's mainly south of us, and then colder weather comes in behind that, but overall tranquil picture today, just no 30s or 40s beyond the middle part of the week. 21 for the morning commute right now. Light northeast breeze around 5 miles per hour. Day planner, sunshine. You see those clouds we're talking about. They start rolling in for the afternoon. The wind's fairly tame, around 10 miles per hour. 35 the expected high. Sunset 5:51. A couple days from now, we'll be having sunset after 6. Still at this hour, we have daylight still at 6 o'clock. Simple twilight still going on well after the 6 o'clock hour. But temperatures 20s, and we'll make our way to the mid-30s middle part of the day, and we ease back into the 20s later tonight. So overall, running still above average, at least for the time being, of those temperatures for our Monday. 23 right now in Duluth, 22 St. Cloud, 10 degrees in Fargo. Looking southward, a lot of the area still in the 30s right now. Des Moines 33, 37 in Fort Madison, at least a portion of the region still well above the seasonal average. Sunset 5:51 today, again in the weather almanac 31 and 16 today's average numbers. Clouds slowly begin to gather. We have one system going out of the south that's going to bring rain to Missouri and Illinois. What we're watching is a secondary area of low pressure that's going to come out of the plains, work its way across the Missouri Valley, and this will bring some snow chances, especially to our southern counties. Looks like we'll see much heavier snow in parts of Iowa, Illinois, up to 6 inches in some of those areas. We're going to get a glancing blow from that system perhaps tomorrow into tomorrow evening. Right now, some of the computer models keep that completely south of us, but at the most, we're looking at ½ inch, maybe an inch of snow along and south of the Minnesota-Iowa border. Much heavier snow, several counties south of that. So we're looking at just a glancing blow tomorrow, and then beyond that, dry but cold. Temperatures running below the seasonal average for the tail end of the week. Today, 35 the expected high in Rochester, Austin 39, 36 in Charles City. Bright sun, clouds increasing heading into the afternoon. Winds out of the northeast around 5 to 15 miles per hour. Tonight, mostly cloudy, kind of a chilly breeze, 24. 7-day forecast looking at 30s to start the week, but then we quickly see changes as things remain dry but colder than the seasonal average. Nothing new for us. It seems like things usually balance out, and they will. We'll have 30s and teens. It all evens out. But, you know, you can't complain about how much sun we will have later this week. It's still pretty good looking weather.
Yeah, and today fairly mild for a Monday.
Yeah, today's great. Maybe the best of the week.
Thanks.